Bola Ahmed Tinubu, as you see me, I know they fear you. I know they fear you. I know they fear anybody. If I die today, I die hero. Bola Ahmed Tinubu wife, what if I use left name? I know they fear death as I did now. As I did myself, I be dead. Any hour death one can make it come. Bola Ahmed wife, you know go better for you. You know go better for you, Bola Ahmed Tinubu wife. Tinubu wife, you know go better for you. I'm not sure say you carry 9 months. I'm not sure say you carry belly, born pikin. Tinubu wife, you not be shall not be well with you. The same course when I read that for Adeboye, now the same course now go locate you, Tinubu wife. Now the same course go locate your husband, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Now the same course now go locate Sheyi Tinubu. See as soon as day, Tinubu wife, you see these children they forest. You see they come out for social media. When you and your husband they campaign, I think you say una get enough money. Una not come to thief Nigerian money. Una come to better the life of Nigeria. Bola Ahmed Tinubu wife, see what you better for Nigeria. That will carry your bandits. That will carry your kidnapper. Maybe they kidnap children, they enter forest. Maybe they kidnap teachers, they enter forest. Maybe they kill them one after the other. Bola Ahmed Tinubu wife, you not be mother. You are not a mother, you are evil. Bola Ahmed Tinubu wife, you are evil. What be that your bastard name? When you dey Senate, now so you dey fight men. You dey fight men, say they don't do way for Senate. Now you don't be first lady. First lady when Nigeria no collect. First lady when Nigeria no vote for. First lady when Nigeria women no call. When he be saying and the husband call himself, it shall never be well with you, Bola Ahmed Tinubu wife. It shall never be well with you, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. As you say, good thing no will happen to Nigeria. Good thing will never happen to you and your children, Bola Ahmed Tinubu wife. Good thing will never happen to you and your children, Bola Ahmed Tinubu wife. See what you now turn Nigeria into. People not fit sleep close eye again because of Bola Ahmed and his wife and Sheyi Tinubu. See what you now they do for Nigeria. It shall never be well with you people. If those children don't come out, if we hear say one picking of that picking die, una all 100 go die for now. If one picking among those children when he dey inside forest, if anyone die.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ó ti wá dójú ẹ̀ báyìí o, ibo là ń lọ lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà. Ẹ bá mi wo fídíò ìkẹ́tùgbọ́ tuntun tó tún ṣẹlẹ̀ o. Ẹ̀gbọ́n nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ nípa Bọ́lá Tinubu, Rẹ̀mí Tinubu àti Ṣèyí Tinubu. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe wá wò ẹ máa bá mi like, ẹ máa bá mi share, kẹ́ máa comment. Ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ti subscribe ọ̀fẹ́ ní subscription, kò ná yín lówó, kò ná yín ní extra data. Ọwọ́ tẹ wá fi ń subscribe, tẹ fi ń like, tẹ fi ń share, ẹ̀ ní fi gbọ́ mọ́ sí.
Then he tied up here. Oh, I go. Oh, I mean, no, my backbone. Una no go see what go for. Go punish you. Oh, I zaga backbone. Ginya, abo G. They come to deceive Nigerians. These are the evil mandate that the devil, Jesus Christ say, Bola Ahmed Tinubu and his wife have come to kill. Bola Ahmed Tinubu wife have come to destroy. Bola Ahmed Tinubu wife have come to devour. Now, I be the commandment what we see for Bible. We don't see a physical. The devil, the demons when they rule Nigeria. You people have come to kill, to destroy. You are the devil incarnate that have come to kill and to destroy. But we will tell you that there is a man that will come for restoration. Now they carry evil speaker, evil mic, they waka. Now call on yourself pastor. As soon as they see what they happen to Nigerians, when they sweet, when they feel they eat, they drink wine. Your husband where they like jumbo, they travel, they fall. You go travel, you no go, you no go come back. As what they call the useless president when he died death. He died 2 times, coward. He died 2 times before he died in last death. He died 2 times before he died in last death. That man name himself, God no go let her enter my mouth. Osalobo Ekwe. Muhammad Burubu Siam. Muhammad Buhari Tinubu. Muhammad Buhari Tinubu. See what you do for Nigeria. That one do your own. He go join his ancestor. He still get the judgment. He never finish his judgment. Tinubu were very. Don't war where. Don't war where. Get in war with Nigeria. Oh man who are bail. All the thing where they do for Nigeria go good for our body. You go good for another. I know they fear your DSS. I know they fear your soldier. I know they fear your police. If I die now, I'm still saying it. If it is the voice of truth that I'm speaking, I die for. I am a hero. I am a hero. Confirmed hero. I die for voice that makes Nigeria to be better. that condemn the evil president Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the evil child Sheyi Bola Ahmed Tinubu and his evil wife. Wetin be that useless name? Shekiri woman. You from Delta State, you no get sense. You say you be Shekiri woman. I'm not sure say you take Delta State water bath. If you be from Delta, as we be Delta, and you come from a Shekiri, I'm not sure say you are from Shekiri. I'm not sure say you know where you from. If you know where you from, you go know who you be. You know from Shekiri where you claim say you from. You know from there. Go and look for your roots. Your root is a Boko Haram. Your root is bandits. Your root is kidnapping. Bola Ahmed Tinubu wife. Don't spoil the name of Shekiris. You are not a Shekiri woman at all. You are not from there. You are not from there. If you are from there, we will know that you are from there. You are not from there. Do not come and give Shekiri women bad name. Bola Ahmed wife, you are not a Shekiri woman. Your generation is from bandits, Boko Haram, kidnapper. Because it's when these children they day inside bush. You have not spoken and you call yourself a mother. War betide you. War unto you. War unto your children. Idiot. Rubbish. You be Shekiri woman. You from Delta State. A Delta first lady will never behave like this. We the Deltas and Edo, we have conscience. Yes, with the Deltas and Edo, we were one bende. We have what is called a conscience. A Delta man will not see evil and succumb to it. He will fight for evil. And a Edo man will not see evil and succumb to it. He will fight for evil. We are one bende. We don't like evil. We speak against evil. We don't like it and we speak against it. You are not even tell anybody that you relate to Delta State. You are not from Shekiri. Go and look for your roots. You are a bastard. A bastard woman. You don't have a root. If you have a root, you will have sense. Bola Ahmed wife, you are a bastard. A bastard child don't know what it takes to be a mother. A bastard child don't know what it takes to lose a child. A bastard child don't know what it takes for children to be in the forest. And you are sitting down without spoken. When Goodluck Jonathan was a president and they were killing the wife, patient came out. Patient came out and she spoke. That is a Niger Delta woman full of pain. Patient Jonathan came out and she spoke. She spoke and Nigerian women listened. She cried and God heard her pain. But you people, you and your husband, with Redeemed General Overseer Beboye, you came out with black hands. And Goodluck did not want to be a president. He want to increase dollar. He want to increase fuel. He want to do this. He want to do that. But today, the worst government, which is Bola Ahmed Tinubu government, and Sheyi Tinubu government, and his so-called EGOT wife, have not spoken concerning those children. Because you know who kidnapped them. You know how to reach them. You know everything about that children kidnapped. I say it with full chest. If I die today, I don't regret it. If I die because of those children, I will not regret it. You are an idiot woman and you continue to remain bastard in your life. Those children are lying down in a cold ground with their handbag, their school bag, lying every day, looking for a survivor. God, Sheyi Tinubu wife, you see this, my tears is on your head. All the blood that has poured in this land, Nigeria, is on your head. You will rot for this life where you come. You go receive pain. Sheyi Tinubu wife, you will not die, but your pain will be worse than death. Look at a child, look at his face. See as band they take gun. They panabit a child of 6 years. What did that pikin know? 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 You call yourself a mother. God will punish you. Devil will baptize you. Sheyi will go to the wife. Devil will baptize you. Look at what children are passing through. Look at what children are passing through. Because you people are using it to make money. According to your husband, that if he stop bandits, APC will not win election. And I'm telling you, by the power of Olokun and Ogun, and Nisango, this land and the earth, and the God of thunder, the God of sun, the God of moon, the God of rain, the God of death, we visit you, Sheyi Tinubu. We visit you, Sheyi wife. We visit you, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. We visit your wife and all your children that have eaten from this blood of Nigeria shall never be well with you people. I am not afraid to die and call for it. This country is bleeding day and night. This country is bleeding 24 hours. This country is bleeding. Nigeria was not like this. Nigeria was not like this. When Tinubu came in, look at what has happened. Every day. This country was not like this. You people will not go scot-free. You people will not go scot-free because you don't have a conscience of what is happening to children and their mothers. And Sheyi Tinubu, if you call yourself a mother, bring your DSS, so I'm ready to die. Bring your DSS, bring your soldier, bring your police. If it's this what I do, I'm a hero. What will betide you? You will be used as the lamb of this country, Nigeria, Sheyi Tinubu wife. You will be used as sacrifice in this country, Nigeria, Sheyi Tinubu wife. And all with you and your husband. And Sheyi himself. Sheyi, you are a coffee. Your father is a coffee. The first lady of Bola Ahmed Tinubu wife is a coffee. You people are coffee. God will punish you now. You will not go see good things from our life. As those children, they bush, they cry day and night. The tears of those children is upon your head. Anything that happens to those children, the one that has happened in Nigeria before, those blood will begin to split in your family, in your generation. Sheyi Tinubu, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and his family. People will not escape death. Then it I don't hear me. Then it I don't hear you. Why escape death? But why escape death? As Nigeria they bleed, you they happy. When you came, you said Nigeria will be better. But today, what happened? Nigeria is bleeding. As Nigeria is bleeding, Sheyi Tinubu, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and your mother, you will all bleed. You will all bleed.
A cow.
The real cow?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Are you a Fulani person?
I'm a Fulani.
You are a Fulani?
Yes.
Wow, okay. And you are rearing cow?
Yes.
Okay, now, anywhere where we, for this whole country now, any place they talk say kidnapping, then they call Fulani for kidnapping. What do you feel talk about the thing?
So what did I say? Kidnappers they different than Fulani. Fulani they different, kidnappers they different. So kidnappers, if Fulani see kidnappers, it go run. So Fulani, if he go join kidnappers, even his brother go fit kill him. So we be Fulani, we know the kidnappers. And so as we did this area, anybody see us say, make it no be like say we be kidnappers, we be Fulani. With the real name, we see our work. And we as we did, so we don't stay here. Now here we born. Now here everybody know us. We don't get that kind of bad character.
Where be this way we there now?
Here na Nike. Elimi Estate. Elimi Estate. Unity
That's
Police Station.
Close to Elime State.
Close to Elimi Estate.
Nike in Enugu.
Nike in the Enugu.
Okay, now where are you there now?
Now where we there now.
So now where you there here now? People don't come home you say you kidnap person.
You get sometimes they go tell us like that, but people where they live our area, when we know them, they no fit tell us say we be kidnappers because they know us. But sometimes if they come out like those forest guard or vigilante people, they fit tell us like that. But we no be kidnappers, but they fit tell us like that. Sometimes if they see our boys, they carry nama, they fit pursue our cow, they buy our person inside.
They buy your person?
They buy our person because here, this back of Elimi Estate here, it happened to lay to our boys. 10 years, then buy them. So after we call them, we arrest them, they say, what are we not kidnappers? We say, no, we will not be kidnappers, and we will not be bandits. we will be Fulani, we be cattle yara. So we no get hand with those people.
Okay.
So we be Fulani. Everybody see us, yes, we be Fulani. See our work.
Okay, now what you dey try tell me say no be Fulani they do kidnapping. I be the Fulani where they do kidnapping, they different from the people where they rear cow.
So Fulani where they do kidnapping, they different with Fulani where they rear cow. So what I say, bad person na bad person. If you be bad person, example now. If you be bad person, another person they bad for Enugu or for Lagos, they fit join hand.
Yes.
Whether be Igbo, whether be Yoruba, they fit join hand.
Yes.
So whether Fulani, whether Hausa, they fit join hand. But bad person they different.
Yes.
Good person they different. So if you are the good person, me are the state people. Peace. You sabi me, I know you, you know me. So we no get problem. You be good person, I be good person. We dey stand together, shop, eat, do what we do. So
no wahala. Okay, now I want to ask you again. Okay. You will be Fulani now. These people where they do the kidnapping, then they kidnap Fulani.
Then they kidnap Fulani. Then they kidnap Fulani. You get the time when they kidnap our brother here. See where we go pay. This time we go pay. The time when they kidnap our Fulani, we don't pay. We go report for this police, but they don't pay that time. We don't pay. Then kidnapping, if you come, me I go run, you go run. Kidnapping, they fit kidnap me.
They fit kidnap you, you will be Fulani.
Kidnap me. Why I be Fulani? They fit kidnap me.
Even as you they speak the language.
That is no me language. Bad person na bad person. That is no me language. If a person dey bad, even a brother, even a sister, that person no be better person again. So if he dey good, and that person, even a brother, even no be a brother, that person na better person.
Okay.
He no fit do bad for you.
But you get some video where they show. It's that thing they happen especially for Jos, Plateau State. You go see Fulani wey carry cow. You go they chop person farm, they uproot cassava, they cut them, they give for cow. What you fit talk that one?
That is not come this our area. That is not come where me I dey stay. Where we dey stay, that is not come because if I see person when they root cassava, they give cow. Me I fit. If in my laborer, I know what thing that they do. I fit cash am go give and government make it lock am for me. I say see what him do because that is not be my character.
Yes.
No be our character. Lie we no get dark and bad mind. What be our work here na to rear our nama. Maybe our nama they benefit fine. So we don't get another problem now. Only our cow.
Okay, I want to ask you again. In case where your boys carry cow, they walk out for road. You can see there are a lot of cow, more than 200 cow they here. In case your person carry cow, they walk out for road. Now, or they walk out for inside bush, your cow mistakenly chop person farm, and the person can't report to you. What thing you go do?
I go beg them. We go settle.
You go settle?
I go beg them. We go settle.
Okay.
Because it don't happen. See our police station. It don't happen. Then they come for police station. We settle them.
They settle them.
If it don't happen, we go come settle them. And we know the pray making happen, but by mistake, if the thing can't happen, we go settle them.
Okay. Now, are you in any way kind of registered in the police station, or is there a way that people identify you, maybe through police or whatever? Do you have kind of relationship with the police or the community?
So as we come here, we fit see community like those, how then they call them, those Igwe people. We fit tell them say our cow dey here, but no be say we go give them money or another thing, but we go tell them say our cow dey here. So if we come back, we go say DPO see our cow here. So I beg, because if a problem happen, make it know say we dey here.
Okay.
So now we can make.
Okay. Yeah, Mr. Yusuf.
Yes.
Thank you very much for talking to us. Okay. I hope.
Let me show you guys something that Apostle Suleiman was talking about. That he was saying that if Kamara did not kill us in this country, we are going to kill Kamara. Do you know why he was saying that? Let me show you guys a typical example. Like this is coming from Apostle Suleiman in his message. Yeah, you make mention that you will catch people that are into that crime. Instead of you to do the needful, then you will now carry camera and be filming them. Let me show you guys something.
What do you put up to do? What do you put up to do? Ah, that's the work, go. Ah, that's the work, go. That's the work, go. That's the work, go. Ah, ah.
Those are people that were catch. Those are people that were catch according to the person that did that video. According to the person, and according to the person that posted it. I'm not the one that posted it on Facebook, right? So according to the person was saying that they were catch in a process of trying to retrieve a ransom. That people they kidnapped someone and they took the ransom to them. So that was when the people did wayo to them and catch them with the ransom. And guess what? They still carry camera and they were shouting. They still carry camera and they were shouting. They carry camera and they are shouting. So what were they holding the camera and they were filming them for? You catch them in that act. They carry person. It's God that saved you people that you save that person. It's God that saved you people that you save that person and collect the ransom. And guess what you guys did? Instead of you guys to do what you're supposed to do, you carry camera and you are filming them and you are shouting, and you posted it on social media. Those are the people that Apostle Suleiman was talking about in that altar. If camera did not kill us in this country, we'll kill camera. Now God carry that man, carry those people, where be say, keep down when I person enter bush, come the collect ransom, when I catch them. Guess what you wanna do? When I carry camera, they shout, film and post them on social media. If camera did not kill us in this country, we'll kill camera. If camera did not kill us in this country, we'll kill camera. That is the level where we are. I don't know if something like that happen. They used to remove ourselves. You should see these Fulani people. No be juju. Because how una go they commit that kind of crime? They go catch una. Instead of the people to do what they are supposed to do, they will not carry camera and be filming you people. That normal. Normal. Now juju that they use. Now juju. If camera did not kill us in this country, we'll kill camera. People that, these people are like animal. You catch them, then you carry camera. They shout, instead of you to do the right thing. If camera did not kill us true in this country, we'll kill camera. Honestly. Well, my people, let me know your opinion in the comment section. Because, no, this is not a joke at all. This is not a joke. It is well. And as I will always say in my videos, please take care of yourself. In this country, you need to take care of yourself to stay alive.
Àdúrà kan ló lè ṣe o. A gbọ́dọ̀ múra gidi gan yín. Prayer has nothing to do with warfare. I am a soldier. I served 35 years. Síbẹ̀ tí wàá máa gbàdúrà. Abẹ́ lo ìbọn yẹn dáadáa tó pé ìbọn yẹn gẹ́gẹ́ tó bá dé stage kan tó bá gbóná tán ẹ fi tó wẹ̀ sínú omi ẹ mọ̀ fi jábọ̀ mú ọlọ́mọdé arógun o.
As they behead that man head, now so they go behead Tinubu head one day. They go behead him papa in. No, you don't even know him papa. They go behead him in son head. You look at me. I'm not afraid. Look at me properly. Very useless country over there. Look at me. They go behead the head of Sheyi Tinubu. They go behead the head of Olulemi Tinubu.
Anyway, Sheyi Tinubu, on behalf of Nigerians and Very Dark Man, I'm using this opportunity to tell you that your papa dey craze. You no go better for your father. You dey mad?
Ilé-iṣẹ́ ètò ààbò lórílẹ̀‐èdè yìí wàláì mo búra pẹ̀lú ọkọ̀ Ọlọ́run ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì fídíò mi rẹ̀ tí ó ń bẹ̀ kó wá lórí social media gbogbo yẹn ni látùbọ̀ tẹ̀ ní lẹ́yìn rẹ o.
ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ wò ẹ̀rí pé ó ti dójú ẹ̀ báyìí àwọn sójà náà ti fárígà yìí o àwọn ará ìlú náà ti fárígà ẹ gbọ́ gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n ń sọ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo fẹ́ kẹ́ farabalẹ̀ wo fídíò yìí láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ dópin ìyẹn lẹ́ máa fi gbádùn ẹ̀ ẹ rí i pé nǹkan kan kó lórí dirú ẹ̀ mú ni o níbi tọ́rọ̀ dé yìí ó yá ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ wo fídíò náà ẹ má gbàgbé ẹ bá mi kílíkì lé subscribe button tó wà nísàlẹ̀ yẹn ọwọ́ yín tẹ̀ fi ń tẹ subscribe ẹ ò ní fi gbé ọmọ sí ẹ ò ní fi gba lẹ́tà ìbànújẹ́ o.
Àdúrà kan ló lè ṣe o. A gbọ́dọ̀ múra gidi gan yín. Prayer has nothing to do with warfare. I am a soldier. I served 35 years. Síbẹ̀ tí wàá máa gbàdúrà. Abẹ́ lo ìbọn yẹn dáadáa tó pé ìbọn yẹn gẹ́gẹ́ tó bá dé stage kan tó bá gbóná tán ẹ fi tó wẹ̀ sínú omi ẹ mọ̀ fi jábọ̀ mú ọlọ́mọdé arógun o. Sẹ́rí nǹkan kan wà tá a ti ṣe mistake l'Ógbómọ̀ṣọ́ yìí. Sẹ́rí a ti gba Fúlàní láàyè jù. We are sitting on a keg of a gunpowder. Gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ disappoint me o personally. Because wọn à ṣe tó yẹ wọn ṣe. ẹ jẹ́ ká fi bíbélì sẹ́gbẹ̀ kan ká fi religion sẹ́gbẹ̀ kan let's forget about religion. kábẹ́sìn sẹ́gbẹ̀ kan ká wá mójútó ara wa láti mú kí ìlú yìí kó dúró. tó dájà ò ní gbójúgbójú kó sọlé méjì ìjọba ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ ò sí dáadáa tó. sẹ́rí wọ́n ní agbára débi wípé kì í ṣe àdúrà nìkan láwọn àgbà l'Ógbómọ̀ṣọ́ a gbọ́dọ̀ dira ogun. I think like a criminal too because I am a criminologist. ṣé wọn tó lọ sóòrù yẹn mo fẹ́ rọ̀ wọ́n kí wọ́n fi sóòrù yẹn sílẹ̀ náà ó lè mọ̀ yé wọn débẹ̀ sẹ́rí war tó difficult láyé ó ní gorilla war èyàn wà gbádá ó dẹ̀ ní AK-47 dé wọn á tún wá rọ̀ ìjọba gbogbo àwọn kọ́pàsì wa yẹn Israeli kò jẹ́ tí ò lè yìnbọn kò sọmọ Israeli kan tí ò mọ̀ bá yìn.
pẹ̀lú bó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ nílùú sínú lẹ́yìn balógun ìlú wà báyìí.
ṣe rí ọ̀rọ̀ ìlú ní ìsinsìnyí àkọlẹ́ ayé john ọba ní máa ń sígun fún balógun nígbà wáṣẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n ayé ti yàtọ̀ we are talking of advanced technology ṣe rí tá a bá fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ààbò ètò ààbò kò bá ṣe ní sọ̀rọ̀ ìjọba àtàwọn tó wà ń bẹ̀ ṣe rí wọ́n ń pe ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ ní security vote tí wọ́n fún wa pé ká máa fi ṣe ààbò nílùú ní ìbárọ̀ wa kábẹ́ gómìnà wa ibo ni wọ́n ná security vote wá sí tẹ́ ẹ bá gbàgbé ní July 25 last year wọ́n láwọn fi 7.7 billion wọ́n fi ra surveillance drone tá a bá ní problem wa ò ní pọ̀ ó kọ́ fún Ọ̀yọ́ state tó dájà ò ní gbójúgbójú kó sọ lé méjì ìjọba àpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ ò sí dáadáa tó sẹ́rí kèsì federal government kan lágbọ́dọ̀ rely láìlè lórí yẹ ká mú báyìí sẹ́rí oríire local government for example it's an insult kó yẹ pé police station yọ kan ló máa wà ń bẹ̀ come what may that place deserve not less than 4 police station kẹwàá tún fún wọn ní èròjà tí wọ́n fi máa jà human resources pé ọlọ́pàá 10 15 20 kò tó ná ní human resources tó wà lórí rẹ̀ ẹ̀ẹ́kejì wọ́n fi owó dùn wọn fún wọn ní ẹ̀rọ ìjà ìmúniságbára sẹ́rí for you to fight crime anywhere in the world we are talking of advanced technology you cannot rely on human being to solve most of the terrorism attack it has to be something like robots for example surveillance ó máa get ibi tí wọ́n wà sẹ́rí ọ̀nà pọ̀ tá a fi lè get àwọn ará bíi sẹ́rí nǹkan kan wà tá a ti ṣe mistake l'Ógbómọ̀ṣọ́ yìí mo fẹ́ rọ ìlú yìí ni o ẹ má bínú sí ní tí mo fẹ́ sọ yìí o sẹ́rí àti gba Fúlàní láàyè jù tẹ́bá débi kan tẹ́bá ń ti odò àgàmbàrí bọ̀ tẹ́bí gbọ́n tẹ́tí ń gba táàkì yẹn tẹ́tí máa ń gbowó tíjọba gbé wọn bẹ̀ yẹn ilé kan wà bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ́rẹ̀ àwọn ọmọ Fúlàní tí wọ́n jọ ọmọ ọdún 12 sí 15 16 17 wọ́n dá wọn jọ sí olóyè wọn fẹ́ tó 40 sí 60 ni wọ́n ń sin bẹ́ẹ̀ ìkíní nù sẹ́rí Fúlàní àti fààyè gbà wọ́n mo sọ́ọ̀rì láti sọ ilé ibi tí wọ́n ń pè ní yànyàn lónìí gbogbo wa ni wọ́n gbowó lọ́wọ́ wa tá ara lẹ̀ yẹn tó fi dẹ́yìn pàápàá bàbá kábíyèsí lánàá kọlọ́run fọ̀run kẹ́ wọn kọlọ́run sì dáríjì wọn tó bá dàbí ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ torí pé wọ́n fún wọn bẹ̀ yẹn wọ́n wá sọ fáwọn Fúlàní yẹn wípé ẹ má kọ́ permanent structure síbẹ̀ o nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ lé bì wò kíákíá ní ká ẹ kọ́ wọ́n ti ń kọ́ permanent wọ́n ta fowó ralẹ̀ ká sọ wọ́n fúnjọba àpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ kí báyà kálá ò tó débẹ̀ ni o àrílẹ̀ wa gbà sábà lọ kó gbóngbó lọ́mọ báwọn Fúlàní jà ni àwa gan fìyà jẹra wa l'Ógbómọ̀ṣọ́ àti fún wọn ní àyè jù sẹ́rí wọ́n ní Fúlàní bímọ lẹ̀ ó bí oró kò sí yàtọ̀ nù wọn àwọn ọmọ yẹn ti mọ gbogbo nù gbósẹ̀ pẹ́sẹ̀ làwọn máa ń rìn kiri kò sí tí wọ́n mọ́ sẹ́rí and one of the weapons of terrorists is rumour ẹnìkan kan jókòó síbi kan láyé social media wọn kẹ́ kó go viral fake news our Nigerians I'm sorry to say we are very gullible we are gullible people because sẹ́rí fake news yẹn wo báńkì sí one close mo ń bọ̀ látẹ̀kọ́ wọ́n ní gbọ́dọ̀ gbà sẹ́yìn o mo ní wáyé tí ní gbà sẹ́yìn bó mo fẹ́ gbà you don't die before your death cowards will always die before their death.
èyí gbọ́dọ̀ kókó tó ní kọ́sọ́
sẹ́rí àwọn Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ gangan kíkanjú la mọ̀ wá sí gbọ́ àwọn jẹ́nsí ọmọ tó wà ń ta ní sàwọn challenges wa a gbọ́dọ̀ múra a country that wants peace must prepare for war. ẹ jẹ́ àmúra dáadáa sẹ́rí gbogbo bá a ṣe ń dara wa láàmú tíjọba bá fún wa lé agbára gbogbo àwọn tá à ń sọ ẹ̀ ẹ̀ mọ̀ delete wọn ni ẹ mọ delete wọn ni tẹ bá ń kó wọn lọ sọ́dọ̀ ọlọ́pàá sẹrí judgement we are talking of justice in Nigeria and láti reorganize justice wa our judicial system is awkward tẹ bá kó wọn lọ gan wọn tó bọ́m̀bẹ̀ technicalities ni so ẹ jẹ́ kí àwọn Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ gan kásìra wa lóṣooṣù ọwọ́ èmi ò gbà pé nìkan jọ nìkan lọ nílùú yìí o èmi kan náà lánìí o èmi tó wà láàrin ìwọ Tolú Ikúsàgbà kò yàtọ̀ sí tèmi o àbí ààrẹ ẹ̀mí yẹn ò yàtọ̀ ẹyọ kan náà ni jẹ́ ká wá múra wa lóṣooṣù ọwọ́ kásìlú dáadáa sẹ́rí gómìnà nípínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ yìí tí wọ́n bá ń gbọ́ mi inú mi ó dùn lórí ètò ààbò wọn àti dáadáa tó federal government ṣe kíni kan wọ́n pè ní initiative láti protect secondary school primary school gbogbo ẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ fún lápẹẹrẹ iléèwé Adéníran Memorial Grammar School ni mo ti jáde 001 ní admission number ní 1978 àwa la ṣe fẹ́ǹsì tẹ́ bá débẹ̀ lónìí mo ṣe sọ àwa la ṣe fẹ́ǹsì fún ara wa èyí ò gùn ju àwa tá a kọ́wé jáde ni ìjọba ìfún wọn kọ́bọ̀ lẹ́yìn kí wọ́n sanwó oṣù àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ àwa la tún kíláàsì ṣe àwa la ṣe fẹ́ǹsì sẹ́ẹ̀dì gbogbo secondary school àti primary school tó wà nípìnlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ tí àbúrò wa tó wà ní Ìbàdàn tó jẹ́ excellence ẹ̀ tó fẹ́ ṣàánú wa kan fẹ́ǹsì gbogbo ẹ̀ round owó àwọn náà wọ́n kúkú ṣe gbogbo contract tí wọ́n àwọ́dù ṣègbè engineer ni wọ́n àwọn náà wọ́n ń ṣe kán sì bá wa ṣe kan bá wa ṣe I need the security you must protect your children wọ́n gànà òun fò fẹ́ǹsì wọlé òun fò fẹ́ǹsì jáde ó mọ jẹ́ kí crime rate kó reduce ìdí ni pé kó tó sá lọ at least ó ti mú kan balẹ̀ wọ́n mú méjì balẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n bí tó kàn free ibi orí fídì náà kàn wọlé kàn jáde then àwa máa ń bẹ̀rù tọ̀ lẹ́yìn bò fi yàtọ̀ sí wa a máa ń bẹ̀rù kó ká lójú l'Ógbómọ̀ṣọ́ bàtà wà ń grow up ṣé báwa bàbá wọn máa ń wọlé wọ́n sì lógun òjàjà kókó Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ àti ní challenges nílùú ẹ̀mú challenges I'm sorry to say this too. I don't want to be immodest religion ti gbagbo agbára lọ́wọ́ wa àwọn people yẹn wá wọn ní agbára tiwa nù pé Bíbélì nìkan ní ká máa gbé lọ àwọn people yẹn I don't want to discuss religion àwọn òyìnbó gbé ẹ̀sìn wa wọ́n ní ká da gbogbo agbára wa ní Israeli náà ṣe lágbára tó àwọn náà ibẹ̀ náà ti gbé Bíbélì wa even the Bible favour the Jews more than us sẹ́rí wọ́n ní agbára débi wípé kìí àdúrà nìkan láàmú ẹgbàá l'Ógbómọ̀ṣọ́ agbọ́dọ̀ dira ogun ẹ̀rí pé nígbà táwọn ọmọ Israeli jáde tó ogun wọn jáde lọ tán sẹ́yìn pé ọ̀tá gbẹ̀yìn wa na fi pe kini kan nínú army line guard taba wa quarters wa kan boro wa duty na wa quarters our women must be protected Israel was not protected when their soldiers went to war wọ́n agbẹ̀yìn wọ́n capture gbogbo wọn ṣe Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ agbọ́dọ̀ múra àwọn kan wà táwọn bàbá wa máa ń ṣe tí wọ́n bá tán lẹ̀ máa ń ṣe tó bẹ́ pé àmì máa ṣe wà náà bí wọ́n yán lẹ̀ ni wọn ò sì ní ilé lọ wà tẹ̀lé máa da gbogbo agbára yẹn nù kí ló dé èmi ò sọ pé Bíbélì ò dá o ṣùgbọ́n potentiality rẹ̀ ó rí à ọlẹ́ka sòtọ́rọ̀ fúnra wa sẹ́rí ẹ jẹ́ ká fi bíbélì sẹ́gbẹ́ kan ká fi religion sẹ́gbẹ́ kan let's forget about religion. kágbẹ́sìn sẹ́gbẹ́ kan káwa mójútó ara wa láti mú kí ìlú yìí kó dúró sẹ́yìn mọ̀tẹ́ bá ń rúmọ̀ sẹ́rí one of the power of the terrorists is rumour.
ẹ bá ń sọ Yorùbá.
wọ́n máa create panic láàrin populace.
ẹ bá ń sọ Yorùbá.
àwọn èèyàn máa bẹ̀rù agbára tí àwọn terrorists níjù agbésùnmọ̀mí níjù ni kí wọ́n máa fún wa ní ìròyìn tí ò nítumọ̀ ìròyìn tẹ́ gbọ́ tẹ́sí mọ́ sọ̀ sára kí ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. ọmọ òkèlè ni mi fẹ́ náà létí 1979 wọ́n fẹ́ àwọn àǹsẹ̀ pàtì ẹ̀jẹ̀ tún kọ́ọ̀tù òkèlè ni ọmọ wọ́n sì ládùúgbò bàbá mi wọ́n láwọn ní ká mọ Salomonia òkèlè ni mi kí n tiẹ̀ tó sá ní ọkọ̀ tí ń lé mi ná. sẹ́rí ayé tá a wáyé 26th century yìí whatever century we are ẹ jẹ́ ká gbẹ́sìn sẹ́gbẹ́ kan let's protect our life. sẹ́gbẹ́ àwọn tó ń lọ sóòrù yẹn mo fẹ́ rọ̀ wọ́n kí wọ́n fi sóòrù yẹn sílẹ̀ náà ó lè mọ̀ yé wọn débẹ̀. sẹ́rí wọ́ọ̀ tó difficult láyé ó ní gorilla wọ̀ èyàn wà gbádá ó dẹ̀ ní AK-47. dé wọn á tún wá rọ̀ jọba gbogbo àwọn kọ́pàsì wa yẹn Israeli kò sẹ́ni tí ò lè yìnbọn kò sọmọ Israeli kan tí o mọ̀ bá yìn ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ ni wọn lóòtẹ́ẹ̀lì tábà lọ pilgrimage gan wọ́n interview wa láwọn obìnrin kéékèèké pretty girls they will interview us ọ̀sọ́fẹ́ mọ̀ bóyá àwa dá wà lálẹ́ country wọn ni abakẹwà fún pilgrimage so yẹ ká wọn tá a bá lè ṣe yẹ ká múra wa ká ṣera lọ́sùsù ọwọ́ nílùú Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ yẹ ká gbé ẹ̀sìn yẹn ká kọ́ sọ síbì kan náà ká wá mú tó ara wa gbogbo sọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n ń ṣe tó máa pariwo mọ̀ gbogbo yóò necessary o.
wọ́n gbàdúrà mọ́ ni.
àdúrà nìkan lè nà wọ́n lọ́wọ́ Israeli náà ń gbàdúrà àdúrà kan ló lè ṣe o a gbọ́dọ̀ múra gidi gan yín prayer has nothing to do with warfare I am a soldier I serve 35 years ọdún márùndínlógójì ni mo lò kì í ṣe àwọn tó ń gbàdúrà gàtọ́ fi pé bẹ́ẹ̀ lè máa ṣe fún àwọn ayéke wọn wà lẹ̀ ẹ̀ tó ṣe shooting assembly táwọn tẹ bá fẹ́ jẹun gbàgbà lọ lẹ́ni mi máa strike ẹ̀ tó gbóúnjẹ lẹ̀ ẹ̀ tó protect life yín ẹ̀ wà nù trench ẹ̀ tó wà lẹ́gbẹ̀yìn sójà tó wà lẹ́gbẹ̀yìn ó ṣubú ó kú síbẹ̀ tó wà máa gbàdúrà abẹ́ lo ìbọn yẹn dáadáa tó pé ìbọn yẹn gẹ́gẹ́ tó bá dé stage kan tó bá gbóná tán ẹ̀ fi tó wẹ̀ sínú omi ẹ̀ mọ̀ fi gbàgbọ́n mú ọlọ́mọdé arógun o ẹ̀ ká múra wa lóṣù sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ ká fi ṣẹ́dáwọ̀ olóṣèlú wa mo fẹ́ rọ̀ wọ́n gbogbo pẹ́ lọ ṣe físítì oríire torí mo gbọ́ pé àwọn àbúrò mi wọ́n lọ físítì oríire kò ẹ má físítì oríire ẹ̀kọ́ politician mẹ́ta síbẹ̀ as a matter of emergency kẹwàá kọlọ́pàá lọ bẹ̀ kẹsíkẹ́ kọlọ́pàá sọ́nà ọ̀fà kótẹ́ nìkan kankan máa gba wọ́wọ́ náírà lójú títì àwọn kàrà ní mọ́ndà láàmú jẹ́ ká sòtọ̀rọ̀ tó pé wọn àtọ́jọ́ ọlọ́pàá lórílẹ̀‐èdè yìí I work with Chicago police mo sọ wẹ́ẹ̀ rí ATM la fi máa ń repo ìjọba fún wa ní ATM á dẹ̀ tẹ́kì gbogbo sidomita lórí mọ́tò ìjọba wọ́n dẹ̀ fún wa ní káàdì á dẹ̀ ra epo kì í sọ ọlọ́pàá tí wọ́n ní ó sì máa wá owó tí ó fi repo sí mọ́tò tẹ́ bá lọ sówó dẹ́yìn tẹ́ bá rìpọ́tì crime wọ́n á sọ fún yín pé àwọn ò lépo ẹ̀yin máa fẹ́ gbé criminal lọ sí or let's say suspect lọ sí abolongo lọ́yọ̀ wọn á ní ká ẹ mú wá ẹ̀yin ní complainant ẹ̀yin lẹ́tọ̀ sanwó tí wọ́n fi máa tí wọ́n fi prosecute wọn irú orílẹ̀-èdè wo lélẹ̀ kí ìjọba gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ disappoint mi o personally because wọn ṣe tó yẹ wọn ṣe nǹkan wà tí wọ́n pè ní ìjọba and I will say it today wọ́n pè kíníkan ní GO wọ́n pè ní general order gbogbo àwọn pamsec tó wà ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ pátá àtàwọn career officer tó wà local government àti state wọ́n máa ń tí mo sọ wọ́n pè ní general order gómìnà méjì péré ló ti tẹ̀lé rí nípìnlẹ̀ yìí number 1 Láàmù ó tẹ̀lé general order yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ sì máa ṣètò ìjọba ṣe wá rí kìnìún dáadáa tó tẹ̀lé general order tá à ń sọ yìí ó ní baba senator Ládọjà ọlọ́njẹ́ baba yẹn ó pẹ́ láyé àwọn yẹn sì dáadáa senator wa ń bẹ nísìn kò tiẹ̀ wá follow anything I'm sorry to say this we are sitting on a keg of a gunpowder níjọba kankan pẹ̀lú Ọ̀yọ́ the House of Assembly lọ́yọ̀ báyìí ó ti rọ́bìsì wọn gbàmí tí bàbá yẹn tí ọmọ kékeré yẹn bá ṣẹ̀ báyìí oṣù kọ́lé mọ̀gbẹ́ kọlu rẹ̀ láti wait to govern our state ẹ ká sọ fún gómìnà pẹ̀lú Ọ̀yọ́ kó ràn wá lọ́wọ́ security vote wa ibo ni wọ́n ń kó sí ẹnu afáràlú build more police station equip them you can do that síbámu tí Lagos state ń ṣe wọ́n ṣe security trust fund mi pé àwọn tó lámì lakatẹ́ lówó lọ ní society wọ́n kò wú wọn lẹ̀ báwọn kan ṣe kó ra mọ́tò lamẹ́ríkà tẹ́ fi ń gbá ọmọ lọ léwe ọmọ tálíkà wọ́n gbé wọn lọ léwe láàárọ̀ wọ́n tó kó wọn dé lọ́sàn-án the governor of Oyo State can come to the rescue we can't wait for the federal government he is closer to us wọ́n ti make sure pé local government yóò ṣiṣẹ́ the chairman of local government cannot do anything the state government should come to the aid of the citizen ṣé gbogbo ló ń san tax tẹ́ bá mọ etí ìjọba ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ gbà l'allocation bó ni wọ́n ná sí use money for security ààbò fún aráàlú ó ṣe pàtàkì ó sì jẹ mí lógún prevention of crime is better than detecting or investigating.
a tún gbé yín wá ní àìpẹ́ torí pé ọjọ́ òní àti ìlú kọjá àlàjì náà tẹ́lẹ̀ kó tó fẹ́ wọlé so ẹja mú pé kan bóyá ọ̀sẹ̀ tí ń bọ̀ bóyá ẹ̀yin lákọ̀ọ́ fún ìṣẹ́jú mélòó kan náà.
ọ̀sẹ̀ tí ń bọ̀ lórí 27 kìí tó kó l'Abuja.
ó dà kò sí ọ̀nà 006198459 006198459 hello kọ́yún.
Ọlọ́run yóò máa tó ní ṣe kàṣíwò ìmọ̀ràn wà lọ́wọ́ ìṣẹ́dá tó wà pẹ̀lú báàbò ní orúkọ Jésù. Akíkòkò ẹ̀mí lọ́ba lọ́ba wa àtàwọn agbófinró gbogbo ẹkún iṣẹ́ wa lórúkọ Jésù ẹ̀rí ní jàmbá o. Sáré bàbá mi tí wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí lórí ìṣòfin ìdílé àgbẹ̀ tó pẹ̀lú ẹ̀kọ́ wọlé. Èyí sọ́kẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ fún táǹsì ẹ̀rù ń ta ni adúgbòrò sóòrùn. Tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ máa ń gbé ìgbọ́n lọ ní ṣọ́ọ̀bì kájọ́ tìmọ́lé. Wọ́n á kókó sóòrùn. Tẹ́tọ̀ òun lọ́kọ̀ wà lásìkò yìí, ọlọ́run dájú tèmi o, tọ́lọ́dọ̀ náà làbọ̀ rí pé. Àti pé tí bàbá wa tó sọ lórí ààbò àwọn bàbá ńlá wa, ọjọ́ bọ́ lè gbà gidigidi. Bí ààbò kótó gbèrè sí. Ó tún mọ̀ kálá àbò wa, ọlọ́run ló gbọ̀yọ́ kálá àbò wa. Bàbá wa tó kú kọ́kọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ kí bàbá wa tó sọ̀rọ̀ lórí àwọn ti Fúlàní. Gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n gba Fúlàní láàyè nítorí ẹ̀gbọ́n màálù tí wọ́n fẹ́ wọn àti lọ́nà kọjá ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ní ẹ̀dẹ́nu ọ̀rọ̀ torí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ní ẹgbẹ́ káàkiri ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn Fúlàní tí wọ́n pè lónà fún tí wọ́n wà máa ṣe é kọjá tó lórí bẹ́ẹ̀ ọlọ́run àdìgbà kan láti wọ́n fún ọlọ́ọ̀kẹ́ni ló dùn ọmọ tó padà wá. àti àmọ̀dá tí wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ nígbà tí wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí pé tá a bá wo orílẹ̀-èdè
ṣiṣẹ́ ẹyọ kan sí. Àwọn olóṣèlú wọn wá ń lọ tí wọ́n kọjá ìlú náà ti wá ní tí wọ́n bá kọ́ police force káàkiri tí kò ní dáa tá a bá wo oníire lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí á ní pé Fúlàní ti gbàjọba kó tẹ̀sán bá mú yàn dé sédà Fúlàní ó fi yàn pamọ́ sí sédà yóò tún wọ́n máa bọ̀ wálé ni tó yẹ kó wà bẹ́ẹ̀. Nígbà tí ò sí àlàáfíà bí ọmọ onílù gangan tí ò lè nìkan bá ń dá nínú ìlú tó jẹ́ pé àjòjì gangan bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wà láàrin kunu ìwọ̀n ọ̀dà tẹ́lẹ̀ wá sí kí Fúlàní bá gbé ìmọ̀ AK-47 tó gbé kọ́rùn tó mú dàdà ní tó ń lọ kò dẹ́ni tí ó jà lẹ́jẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n tó bá dé pé ọmọ ọdún ọba kan ló ṣe irú rẹ̀ wọ́n tún mọ́ ìran tó bì. Àwọn jẹ́ kí gbogbo àwọn ọlọ́pàá wa náà tí wọ́n wo eléyìí tí wọ́n mọ̀ wo owó tí wọ́n ṣe òtítọ́ tí wọ́n ti ṣe Ọlọ́run kò ní jẹ́ kí wọ́n fẹsẹ̀ kọ́.
ẹ ṣeun ẹ já mú pé kan sí àtúbọ̀ sí abala tó kàn yín lónìí 006198459 àwọn pé ń kọ́dọ̀ àwọn ni o 006198459 tó àní ìlú báyìí lọ ní òní mo rò pé àbí oní tó fẹ́ sọ.
tí mo fẹ́ sọ náà ni pé káwọn èèyàn wa ẹ̀jẹ̀ ká fi sọ̀rọ̀ kù ètò ẹ̀jẹ̀ ká ṣe pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́ ìròyìn tí ó da ìlú ẹlòmíì wa hypertensive lórí gẹ́gẹ́ ó sì mú ẹ̀yìn lọlẹ̀ ẹ̀dá fún ẹ̀jẹ̀ ká ṣe pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́ àwa ọ̀dọ́ náà tá a ṣe ẹlòmíì ó jókòó sínú yàrá rẹ̀ yóò mú fóònù yóò rà dátà 1 gig ó mọ̀ fi da àwọn àgbàlagbà láàmú ẹ̀jẹ̀ ká ṣe pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́ ẹ̀jọ̀ bí mo sọ lè bàjẹ́ ní yóò lè dàrú.
èmi sì fẹ́ rọ àwọn olóṣèlú wa pátápátá gbogbo sukùl tó wà lóko sọ pátá tàbí nípìnlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká fẹ̀sìn wọn ra owó tá a ta àná síbẹ̀ kò tó ọjọ́ ọ̀la àwọn ọmọ wa
pàtàkì àwa gbádùn ìlú Ifá I'm sorry to say mo gbádùn ìlú Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ gbàmí ìgbà kó Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ láago 9 àlọ́ Àbújá àgùn training nílọrin àgùn dé jọ́sì ayé tí wá yàtọ̀ ta ló ba ayé jẹ́ nǹkan ò dá mọ́ ẹ ṣàánú wa kíjọba ó ṣàánú àwọn ènìyàn gbogbo secondary school primary school kí wọ́n fẹ́ǹsì gbogbo ẹ̀ ẹ lọ wá dé nínú nísìn àti fowó wa fẹ́ǹsì àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ jáde la ṣe afẹ́ǹsì bẹ́ẹ̀ kò ní bàjẹ́ láyé ajagun fẹ̀yìntì lórúkọ mi o ajagun fẹ̀yìntì olóyè Ọlátúndé Òkè lánàá I think like a criminal too because I am a criminologist.
ẹ ṣeun balógun gbogbo ẹ̀yin balógun pátá ẹ lọ ṣèpàdé o kẹ ẹ lọ dojú kẹ ẹ lọ
àti fẹ́ sẹ́ńgbà kan nígbà tá a fẹ́ sẹ́ńgbà mo jẹ balógun mo bá sì pa àwọn márùn-ún ìbọ̀dá kan ó ti kú ní ìsìn àmọ́ ní ẹjẹ́ ká sì pàdé àwọn onímọ̀ ajẹ́ chairman o ó ti mọ́ wọn lára nílùú yìí àwọn tó wà ní the other side àwọn chairman ti kákó ní kọ́kọ́ sọ abalógun márùn-ún fẹ́ máa ṣe pàdé.
You are very useless. If you are in Nigeria, you are useless. I swear. How can you be buying fuel for 1,320 and you dey happy? Only you dey auto ten sing the ọba tó jọba lọ ní Tinubu tó ti pa yín tán. Ọlọ́run yín dà, èṣù yín dà. It's not better you serve the Satan that you are accusing. All of you go commit fornication. Una go dey sleep with una sef. Una go say na Satan. Wetin Satan do you? Una never ready for anybody this country. This country, until you fight, you will never have your freedom. Freedom is very precious. Look at Boko Haram. It's in Oyo State. From Kwara to Oyo State to Lagos. He go reach all of you. I swear, as they behead that man head, now so they go behead Tinubu head one day. They go behead him Papa in. No, you don't even know him Papa. They go behead him in son head. You look at me. I'm not afraid. Look at me properly. Very useless country. They look at me. They go behead the head of Sheyi Tinubu. They go behead the head of Olulemi Tinubu. They go behead all of them. They go behead the head of Pastor Tunde Bakare. Because Pastor Tunde Bakare reached Jonathan death in 2014 when Jonathan wanted to increase fuel to 121. Pastor Tunde Bakare said Jonathan must die. If you don't kill corruption, corruption will kill us. What are we doing now? Corruption is doing you what? Corruption has buried you. You are all stupid in this country for allowing a drug addict, a certificate forger. A certificate forger is your president, and you claim you go to school. Your schools are useless. If you go to any Nigerian school, you didn't go to any school. You are an educated illiterate. That's all of you are. Educated illiterate. All of you. A certificate forger. An identity thief. Bola Tinubu is not his name. His name is Amoda Yekini. He doesn't have ancestry in Nigeria. He's from Gambia, Senegambia. That's where he's from. When he came to your country, he bought all the institutions. He bought Adebole. He bought Kumuyi. He bought Tunde Bakare. He bought Wole Soyinka, that graduate professor. He bought all the elders. Tinubu made us to know who is now the real people with conscience. Nigerians have nobody with conscience. If you are praying, no God answer you, because the prayer of a sinner is abomination to that God. Even that God is abominable for watching his children to be slaughtered. Where is God? You are calling every day and he can't save you. Where is God? Show us that God. Show us that God. If a God can wait, he's not aware of his people dying every day, and you are praying to that God, are you deceiving yourself? You have 4 refineries, none of them is working. Some of you determine I should go to Aso and go and talk this to Tinubu. If I get to Aso, me, I will personally fight Tinubu. That's why it's already dead. Look at the dead man ruling Nigeria. All of you, are you not living cough? All of us, are we not living dead? Mohbad was by in 2022 or 2023. 3 years after, no justice for Mohbad. The stinking boy is rotting in mortuary, and you are here telling me that you bought fuel for 1,320. Shame on you for buying it. Anybody buying fuel for 1,320? Shame on you. You are a slave. Your father is a slave. Your mother is a slave. All of you are slaves, and you will die in slavery if you don't kill Tinubu, if you don't kill Abiyamo, if you don't kill Tinubu, if you don't kill all these stupid governors. You will never have freedom. Look at what's going on in your state right now. It's your greed.
Sheyi Tinubu, Alpha, I hear say you talk say you go sue very dark man for disrespecting your papa. No man, means I no go support that one. Yeah, why go dey disrespect person papa? EDM, it makes sense. Now you dey do am for now, you go like her. Anyway, Sheyi Tinubu, on behalf of Nigerians and very dark man, I'm using this opportunity to tell you that your papa dey craze. You no go better for your father. You dey mad? Ogu dey kill you. They dey disrespect your father. Ogu dey kill you. That's what we dey talk about now. You no go better for your papa. Your papa dey mad. Above shuffle. People they die everywhere. Your papa do not care about it. You are here. They disrespect your papa. If your father do it, they go disrespect him. And nobody they even disrespect your father. Nobody they disrespect your father self. That will be the end they talk. Now that what they call disrespect. Above shuffle. Ogu kill your papa. Ogu kill your mama. No go better for anything concerning Tinubu and APC. They kidnap since over 2 weeks now. They don't behind one. He made 2 teachers with over 40 students. How do you know your papa never do anything? They even call the Assam. They interview the bastard animal. Say, waiting go talk about the issue of insecurity. When they talk nonsense, they talk about Abraham. They talk about sacrifice. What it concern Abraham's sacrifice with what they go on in this country? You don't talk about sacrifice. Okay, you are telling us that you want to use your own energy and do sacrifice for that layer way you do recently. You don't go better for you. People don't die finish in this country. Everywhere security every day by day. High cost of living. Low economy. No road, no light at all. People they die. Hunger won't finish people. Oloribuku man. If someone go for second time, I swear to my God, you don't go for the second time. Let me tell you now something. I swear to my God, this next coming election, now you gotta die, yo. I swear to my God, Tinubu, let me tell you this thing. Anything will make you people won't do nonsense this next coming election. I swear to my God, nowhere when this country no go later catch fire. Tinubu, if you win this election, you win and clean, you enter. Nobody go follow you there. But you don't win, another person win. You want call you guy. I swear, Nigeria must catch fire. Now me talk small time I will talk say they preach violence. To avoid that violence. No do nonsense. This next coming election. Now me talk you have to go this next coming election. 2027, you must go. You no go better for all of you now. I am a sharp soldier. The apex predator and the baddest guy on the planet, BGG, the baddest guy gang, and you weary, super people.
Ẹ̀yin aláṣẹ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ẹ̀ ní bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run. Iléeṣẹ́ ààrẹ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ẹ̀ bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run. Ilé ìgbìmọ̀ aṣòfin àti ilé ìgbìmọ̀ aṣojúṣòfin orílẹ̀-èdè ẹ̀ bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run. Iléeṣẹ́ ètò ààbò lórílẹ̀‐èdè yìí wàláì mo búra pẹ̀lú ọkọ̀ Ọlọ́run ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì fídíò mi rẹ̀ tí ó ń bẹ̀ kó wá lórí social media gbogbo yẹn ní látúbọ̀ tẹ̀ ní lẹ́yìn rẹ̀ o kí làwọn àmẹ̀kúnnù béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ ṣèjọba lé a lórí lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀yin olórí kí la béèrè a béèrè iléèwé ọ̀fẹ́ a béèrè ẹ̀kọ́ ọ̀fẹ́ ẹ̀ fún atúnfowó wa náà mọ́ wa lọ iléèwé a béèrè ètò ààbò lórí ẹ̀mí wa kẹ́rin mọ́ réèyàn síjọba lé lórí sẹ́yìn kúrẹ́ fẹ́ ṣèjọba lé lórí ni lórí ètò ààbò lórí ẹ̀mí wa àtàwọn dúkìá tá a fògùn wa kó jọ ẹ̀yìn jówó òlù àwa ń ṣiṣẹ́ agbára a tún kó nǹkan jọ ọkàn wo tún balẹ̀ ẹ wo bọ́n ṣe pa bó bàbá bí ẹran ṣé fídíò eléyìí ṣe fi hàn sáwọn àrọ́mọdọ́mọ bàbá yìí ṣé inú tọ́mà kọ̀ọ̀nà máa kú sí kò sí pò tẹ́ ẹ lè fi wọ́n sí láyé gbogbo àtàn bá ti rántí bọ́n ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀rì bàbá wọn bọ́n ṣe kun bàbá wọn láṣẹ ran màálù mo ò lè dunnú sórílẹ̀-èdè gbogbo orílẹ̀-èdè tí ẹkún mẹ̀kúnnù ti gbé wọn tómi ojú wọn báyìí kánlẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ tí ń ṣèjọba nílùú pátápátá gbogbo yẹn ní lẹ́yìn rẹ̀ wọ́n ń pa àwọn èèyàn bí ìgbà tán pẹran ẹ̀wọ̀n ọmọ kéékèèké tán tún jí kó ẹ̀wọ̀n dààmú l'Ógbómọ̀ṣọ́ bá àti gbogbo agbègbè tó súnmọ́ wọn nípínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ kí ló dé kò sẹ́bí yínú àwọn tán ń kó yìí kí ló dé kò sọmọ yínú àwọn tán ń dààmú ẹ̀wọ̀n ọmọ náà tán kó wọnú gbọ́ ẹ̀wòyà tán fi ń jẹ ọmọ tí ò ti yẹ kán tẹ́sítì yà ẹbí yín ò sí lu yìí tó bá wà lu yìí àdúgbò tètò ààbò ti mọ́yán lórí tí ò ti ṣe é rà tí ó rìn wọ́n tí ò sí kankan tí ó ta wọn tí ò sí panpẹ́pẹ́ tí ó gan wọn àdúgbò yẹn rẹ̀ kàn ọmọ ti yín sí kò ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ o bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ń jagun lórí nǹkan kankan náà tí ọba ṣẹ́gun tó tún yẹ kẹlòmí ò tún wá kó tún wá múrò yẹn lẹ́nu dúndùn wá á ṣètò ààbò á ṣe títì á ṣe gbá ṣàwé owó gángan láyé ṣe tó ní yọjú báyìí gbogbo owó tẹ bá fẹ́ ná lórí orílẹ̀-èdè ẹ ná lórí ètò ààbò ọ̀làjú ti dé báàlú yìí gbogbo báàkì tẹ ẹkọ́ sáàrin ìlú gbogbo sọ́jà tó ti níkùn gbogbo àwọn ológun tán ti yọkùn tán ti yọgbọ̀n tán ti sanra jù yìí ẹ lọ kọ́ báráàkì ẹ lọ kọ́ wọn sínú igbó ẹ jẹ́ àwọn agbésùnmọ̀mí agbébọn ìgbó ẹ jẹ́ jọ lọ mú létí ra wọn. ẹwọ ẹbí ẹrẹ́bí ní ìsìn ẹ wo wàhálà ẹ wo dààmú ilé ọdún ní ìsìn tí ń mì fáwọn èèyàn báyìí ta ló fẹ́ travel kọ́ lọ sí ọdún lé kọ́ ọmọ padà bọ̀ kàn jó ń tàn gbé àbí kó tiẹ̀ orí ilé kò délé oróko kò dóko àbẹ́ tí ń lọ lọ́nà gan tí ò tí ì débi tí ń lọ tán jí gbé ẹni tó fẹ́ lọ manage pẹ̀lú ọdún tán ní kán mú 10 million 20 million wà báyìí wàhálà ṣe pọ̀ jù lórílẹ̀‐èdè iná ṣé gbogbo ilẹ̀ ń travel ìgbé 2027/2030 wà lẹ́wà ń pariwo káàkiri ẹ̀yìn kan ṣe honorable ọ̀dìdì ó ṣe ẹ̀ẹ̀mẹ́ta jọ́dún 12 ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹ́ ní tó ń dùn báyìí kí ló dé tẹ̀ ní bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run kí ló dé tẹ̀ nípa ayọ̀ ọkàn náà ẹ̀ ń ṣèjọba lórí èèyàn wọ́n sì ń jẹ́ èèyàn yẹn gbé ẹ̀ ṣèjọba lórí èèyàn wọ́n sì ń jẹ́ èèyàn yẹn pa ẹ̀ ṣèjọba lórí èèyàn wọ́n sì ń dààmú wọ́n ń fòrò òlù kò wá síbẹ̀rù fáwọn ará bí kò síbi wọn ò léwu ọmọ ṣé bọ́ ọlọ́pàá wà ọlọ́pàá wo ló fẹ́ fẹ̀mí ara tiẹ̀ di ìbọn wo ní bẹ lọ́wọ́ ọlọ́pàá Nàìjíríà ọ̀pá àtìlẹ̀ lásán tó yẹ pé bọ́n bá yin ọta mẹ́rin jáde kún bẹ́ẹ̀ ìbọn ọmọ gbóná ni kí ló dé sophisticated weapons tó wà lọ́wọ́ àwọn ará bíi àwọn irinṣẹ́ tó jẹ́ pé tí bá ń dún ìwọ gan kò sí bó sọ pé ọláyàtọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan sáfẹ́mi rẹ̀ ná tọ́lọ́pàá tẹ wá gbé ìbọn tó ti gbó ìbọn tán fi jagun Biafra tẹ gbélé lọ́wọ́ lẹ́nìkan máa dojúkọ àwọn tán níbọn tuntun lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀yin ò improve sí gbogbo nǹkan táwọn orílẹ̀-èdè tó lajú lágbàáyé improve sí àfi owó jíjí kó báàrẹ̀ kan bá lọ tán bá rí bí 100 trillion lákàntì tiẹ̀ tó jí kó kò sáré ẹ̀mí tí ó dé tí ó sọ pé ẹ̀ mú bọ́ bá mú tán rówó nǹkan gbà ibo la fẹ́ mọ̀ tẹ́ kó sí èyí ó pò gómìnà yóò tó bọ́ pò sẹ́nétọ̀ ntẹ́ ẹ̀bà fún lórí rárá ni ó pò gómìnà tí ó bọ̀ pò mínísítà èsà ń tira yín bọ̀ àsì ni ẹ mọ̀ jẹ́ ẹ ń bá ṣe lábẹ́ pẹpẹ ó jẹ lábẹ́ pẹpẹ àsopọ̀ òní jó ẹ mọ̀ jówó kó ẹ sáṣe ń táwà fẹ́ ká dààmú lówó ká tún mọ̀ dààmú gbèlú epo wọn lù àti ẹ̀mọ̀ pé ìyẹn ẹsẹ̀jọ́ tó orílẹ̀-èdè nìkan gbogbo àgbáyé báyìí lè po ti wọn epo wọn lù ọ̀nà tẹ́gbẹ̀ mọ́tò ọ̀dá ẹ̀ tó kó sódò ìyọ̀ ọ̀nà bíi 15 rẹ̀ sáfi ń jà wà nìkan. látòrí iléeṣẹ́ ààrẹ ẹ bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run o ẹ tó lè lo ọdún 15 parí orílẹ̀-èdè ò tí ì sì bí ọba padà wà bẹ́ẹ̀ bá kún bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ẹ̀ tó padà dára wa náà ni kí lẹ́ fi jábọ̀ fọlọ́run báyìí orí tí kọ́ ló ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ kí lẹ́ fi jábọ̀ fọlọ́run gbogbo panel of parastatal minister senator representative chairman local government commissioner of kìnìkan ní state kọ̀ọ̀kan àtàwọn gómìnà local government chairman títí tó fi dórí gbogbo ẹ̀yin honorable gbogbo ẹ̀yin councillor ẹ̀jọ̀ nítorí Ọlọ́run gbogbo owó tẹ̀ ń gbà lókè iná kí lẹ fi ń ṣe Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn ń bẹ sáwọn òsì nípínlẹ̀ tí ìjàmbá ti ṣẹlẹ̀ Àgbẹ̀kọ̀yà ń bẹ èló lẹ fún wọn lówó oṣù ìbọn wo lẹ kó lé wọn lọ́wọ́ bọ́n bá sì sọ̀rọ̀ pé ẹjẹ́ apín yẹlẹyẹlẹ kí kálukú ọmọ lọ bá kálukú ò lè dó iléèdè rẹ̀ sọ ó tọ̀ lẹ́nìkan lọ gbé ó ti sọ̀rọ̀ sọ ó ti sìwàwù ó ti ṣe kinní kan ẹ tó bá ń kàmpéè fúnjọba yín tàbí tí bá ń kàmpéè fẹ̀gbẹ́ òṣèlú kọ̀ọ̀kan àwọn ni wọ́n mọ̀ ọ́ dán ẹ bá ti sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí ó ti takòjọba yín nù ẹ máa wá káàkiri ẹ lọ gbẹ̀mí ẹ lọ gbé káàkiri ẹ fòfin mú ẹ fòfin dè ẹjọ́ ṣẹ̀wọ̀n ẹjọ́ pẹ́lẹ́wọ̀n ẹjọ́ ṣe kinní kan táàfin fún ìjọba àgbọ̀dọ̀ rí níta
ẹ rántí ọba tí ó mú kálukú yín tẹ́ ẹ̀ ní bọ́ o pàápàá yẹn ń ṣe wá àti ṣe wàásù fún ẹ rántí ìfọpẹpẹ sàárè bí wọ́n ṣe pa bàbá oníbàbá tóun náà lọ́mọ tó níyàwó tó lẹ́bí tọ́lá táwọn ẹbí wọn máa sọ kódà ọjọ́ kẹyìn gbogbo ìrandíran yìí tẹ́ wà nídìí gbogbo ètò yìí tẹ́ ń bàjẹ́ àwọn ìrandíran tí inú ò ní bọ́nu ẹ̀kún tó bá dá láàárọ̀ yóò bàjẹ́ fún yín lọ́sàn bó ṣe dá lọ́sàn yóò dàrú mẹ́ lọ́wọ́ lọ́jọ́ alẹ́.